Hello everyone, I do hope you're well. Do you have trouble with wire wrapping? Wire wrapping is not something that I do, but I came across this and I think it's really good and I really like the look. Let me show you. Can you see? Now this is created, now I've used two 8mm rondelle beads, and on top, we've got two, well, focus. On top you've got two jump rings. Gives the effect of wire wrapping. Sorry for being so in your face. Obviously you can add this to a chain, earrings. So let me show you what I did to create this. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, come on. Now I do have a website, lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, and there you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I do also have some jewellery that isn't handmade. I just want to say that not everything is handmade by myself. We've got Christmas coming up. It's just me. I have a very small animal rescue. Once all the bills are paid, everything goes to help my fur babies. So please do go and check it out. If you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. This is what I was showing you earlier on. And now the top of this one, I use 15mm, 1.5 centimeters. So I'm going to do one of those, but I'm also going to do a 2cm one, so you've got more of a twirly effect on the top. So let me show you what I did. I've got these head pins. They're nothing special, as you can see there's some tarnishing marks on them, but it's great for me to do tutorials. So we'll just put two beads on. Now normally when I'm teaching you how to do a loop, I say to go 1 centimeter. I'm going to go to 15. So I've measured 15mm, 1.5 centimeters. I'm just going to use these to cut. And I'm not going to do any bending on this. And normally I would tell you to bend 90 degrees. Now these are 5mm jump rings, so we pop two on. I mean, you could even pop more on if you wanted to. So there's our two jump rings. I'm really hoping that this is going to focus. These are our round nose pliers. So it depends how big you want the loop to be, but I'm trying to aim for something like 5mm. There's nothing, make sure there's nothing sticking out. Obviously there is, because I can do that. That's great. And then bend around, take it out, bend. Just keep going around till you're happy with the loop. I'm really hoping you can see. That's with a 1.5, but can you see it gives the wire wrapped effect? I'm just going to do a 2cm one. I haven't done this before, so let's see what it looks like. So we create more of a curly effect. So take our ruler. So let's do 2 centimeters. Right, we'll pop our jump rings on. But have a play around. Right, Right, let's see how this goes. So keep twirling, take it out, twirl. And as I'm going down, I'm just slightly going to the side so we get that neat twirl. Can you see you've got two lines. Can you see the two loops showing there? Now, if I was to take that out, it looks like I need to go down more. I do need to go down more. Am I happy with how that looks? Yeah. I do prefer 2 centimeters compared to the 1 centimeter. It's going all the way around, whereas with this one, it's only going part of the way, and when you get to this side, it's just single. See, it's doing only the one loop. I'm really happy with those. And I really like that effect. And obviously this is small, so you don't have to keep it small. You can have like a large pendant. I don't have anything to try. Don't forget to check out the website. I do have a 10% offer on. So, and I do cater for those that are new to making jewellery, so you can buy in small amounts. So you learning to make jewellery can be expensive, and I'm all about how you can do things cheaply. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. You'll get notified time I share a video with you. So thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.